You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this SUV by Korean manufacturer. If you want to learn how to say more names of different cars and the name of the Korean manufacturer in Korean, how it's said correctly, make sure to stay tuned as well. Kona is how it's pronounced in English. In many other languages like Spanish or Italian, Kona, Kona. In English again, Kona. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.